Ah,
What?
logic bomb.
I can still skin like a motherfucker though. Alright. You what? Time Rift's open 2 of 18? We're gonna be here all
Yes.
day.
Yes. Yep.
Beneath shield remaining 100%, you mean we can lose?
Yes. There was multiple dungeons just like this. This is the worst one. Blizzard decided that you know what's fun? Timed events. That shit's the funnest. The players will never be angry.
I have like things to do. I need to finish the dungeon now.
This is like this. Violet Hold is like this. This place is like this. This is the future, Blizzard said.
You know, I don't mind like time quests. Which, by the way, when you lose, you don't get kicked out the dungeon, right? They just make you all die and respawn.
Oh, you sweet summer child.
Oh my god! You're joking, right?
I am not joking. They kicked you right the fuck out and you had to restart the dungeon.
You what? You why? That's the worst. I was gonna say I don't even mind if it's timed, as long as you get to try again. You know, like a Grand Theft Auto mission. Except they, you know, old Grand Theft Autos, they make you do the unceremonious drive back to where the mission started after you get all your health and your weapons back because you most likely died or got arrested. But no, it's just like, you're done playing this game. Get out. Assemble a better team.
We at Blizzard believe that if there's no risk, then there's no point.